Grand rising, grand afternoon, grand evening, whenever you're seeing this. I'm greeting you here from my rising with the sun. Remember that we are all in harmony with nature, with the sky, with the land, with the water, with the cycles of life, death, and rebirth. Ground yourself first thing in the morning. When the sun rises, rise with it. Notice the birds. Notice the colors change. Notice how everything works in harmony. Remember your role in nature and with harmony. Please do your part and start your days watching the birds along the skyline. Beautiful nature. And be grounded with the sun and the cycles of life. January 1st, 2026. Peace unto you.